What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a great Monte trick by UF Grant. Let's do it. Now check this out. I have these two cards here, the Jack of Hearts and the Ten of Spades. And I have these two boxes here. These two boxes will represent my pocket and the spectator's pocket. And you can remember my pocket with, it has that sticker, and the spectator's pocket does not have a sticker. So, now that that's clear, let's actually get into the trick. Now to start off the trick, I'm going to take these two cards, the Jack of Hearts and the Ten of Spades, and put them right into the spectator's pocket. So now if I ask the spectator what cards he has, he should say Jack of Hearts and Ten of Spades. And obviously that would be correct. So from here, I'm going to take the Jack of Hearts and put it in my pocket, right? Just like that. So now if I ask the spectator again what card he has, what card I have, the spectator is clearly going to say that they have the Ten of Spades and that I have the Jack of Hearts, right? So now if I take the Jack of Hearts out from my pocket and put it right into the spectator's pocket, and now I'll even do this. I'll take so I put the Jack of Hearts into the spectator's pocket. I'm just going to take out the Ten of Hearts or Ten of Spades and put it into my own pocket. Okay, so now if I ask the spectator what card he has, he's going to say obviously he has a Jack of Hearts, and then if I ask him what card I have, he's going to say I have the Ten of Spades. But now if I actually do the reveal, we'll see that I have the Jack of Hearts and the spectator has the Ten of Spades. Now let's actually break down how to do this amazing Monte trick. And the reason why it's so great is because a lot of it happens right in the spectator's pocket, right between his pocket and my own pocket as a performer. And there's just so much more power that goes into the final reveal than if you're doing everything in your own hands. So for this trick, of course, you will need two pockets. One pocket will be the spectator's pocket, one pocket will be your own pocket. So we got the two pockets down. You will also need a third card, which will be a double back card. In this case, I'm using Jack of Hearts, Ten of Spades. And then of course, you'll also need the regular Jack of Hearts and Ten of Spades. So you start off with the double back card in your own pocket. And of course, all this is happening in the same pockets. We're not putting one card in one pocket, putting the other card in the other pocket. Everything happens in your one pocket and everything happens in their one pocket. So the way I start off, I take the Jack of Hearts, the double-faced Jack of Hearts, and then I'll take it, I'll put it face up, right? So if my pocket was like this, right, if my pocket was, this is my body right here. If my pocket was like this is a side pocket, by the way. Pocket was like this, I put the Jack of Hearts before the trick even starts, put it right in my pocket, and I make sure the Jack of Hearts is facing outside. So that was a bit confusing. I realized that was a much longer explanation than needed. So anyway, that card, the double-faced card, is in your pocket. Now you're going to tell the spectator you're going to take these two cards and put them in his pocket. Now of course you may think that it's pointless because you're just going to take the Jack of Hearts back out. But the reason you're doing this is just for them to get used to the idea that you're going to take your hands and put them in their pocket. Now that's a bit weird, but it's magic, so anything's possible. So you put the two cards in their pocket, ask them what two cards they have. They say Jack of Hearts and Ten of Spades. You take out the Jack of Hearts from their pocket. You take that, and now you're going to put it in your own pocket. However, you're going to take this card, right, the regular Jack of Hearts, and put it behind the double-faced card that you have here. So that's like this. Now you ask the spectator what cards in their pocket, what cards in your pocket. They say Ten of Spades, Jack of Hearts. Then you say, yep. You can quickly flash out Ten of Spades they have in their pocket. And then of course you grab the front card and you say the Jack of Hearts, so you can pull it completely out, is in my pocket. Now of course you want to make sure that you do not flash the other side of the Jack of Hearts. So you show them, boom, the Jack of Hearts is in your pocket. Now you take the Jack of Hearts again, you say you're going to switch the cards. So you're going to put this card in their pocket like this. And now you're going to pull out the same card, except you're going to reverse while pulling it out. So the way I do it is I take it out. Right, so let's say if this was in the spectator's side pocket, so it was like this. So I still put it in the regular way. And then when I take it out facing them like this, revealing to them that I'm taking out the 10 of spades. Now they're not going to notice if you pull out like this or if you pull out like this. As long as you don't make it a big deal, it'll all work out fine. So again, you take the double-faced Jack of Hearts out from your pocket, put it into their pocket, and then you say you're going to switch the cards. And then of course you bring it out reversed. Again, that's key. Bring it out reversed and say, now you're going to take the 10 of spades from their pocket and put it into your pocket. You take this card, put it behind the regular Jack of Hearts. And now once again, you ask the spectator what card they have, what card you have. They're going to say they have the Jack of Hearts, and they're going to say you have the 10 of spades. And then you reveal to pull out that you actually have the Jack of Hearts. And then you could ask them to pull their own card out, and then they'll see that they have the 10 of spades. Now I have to say, this is such an amazing Monte trick, because again, it happens right in the spectator's pocket, and of course they pull out their own card for their reveal at the end. So that makes this trick very powerful, and if you have a double-faced card, I highly recommend to put this trick in your repertoire. And that's it for this video. Make sure to go check out the links in the description to help support my channel, or follow me on social media. So that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Oh wow, you guys are still here. I need to start leaving some prizes or something, because why else would you stay here this long? But in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, because if you do, you are awesome. Thanks for watching.